Have you ever seen a machine arrive on a farm and make farmers laugh? That's exactly what happened in China. They didn't believe it could work, but these machines changed everything. And the last one, number 8, is so advanced, it will completely blow your mind. So watch till the end. Heading 1. AI fruit picking robot, a machine that understands fruits. Imagine a machine that can see fruits, understand them, and pick them just like a human. That's exactly what this Chinese harvesting robot does. This robot uses RGB cameras and spectral cameras. An RGB camera works like a normal phone camera. It sees colors. A spectral camera goes deeper and checks internal quality, not just appearance. For example, a fruit may look ripe from outside but still be raw inside. This machine can detect that difference. The AI system is trained on millions of crop images, just like humans learn by seeing thousands of fruits growing up. This machine has learned to recognize hundreds of fruit varieties. Speed matters in farming. This robot can pick one fruit every 6 to 8 seconds. Simple comparison. If a human takes 15 to 20 seconds to pick one fruit, this robot works twice as fast without getting tired. Accuracy is another big factor. It selects fruits with up to 95% ripeness accuracy. That means out of 100 fruits, 95 are picked at the perfect time. Its robotic gripper is also smart. It has pressure sensors that adjust grip strength automatically. Just like we hold an egg gently so it doesn't break, this robot avoids bruising fruits. The smartest part? The system keeps learning after every harvest cycle. The more it works, the smarter it becomes. In simple words, farmers can now harvest 24/7 without worrying about labor shortages. Heading 2. Intelligent spraying drones. Flying precision machines. Now imagine spraying a large field manually. Too much chemical damages crops. Too little lets pests survive. Chinese agricultural drones solve this using AI and data. These drones use multispectral cameras to identify unhealthy crops. They can tell which plants are sick and which ones are healthy. They also have environmental sensors that measure wind speed, humidity, temperature. Here's a simple example. If wind speed is high, spray can drift away. The drone automatically reduces dosage or changes its route. Each drone carries a 40 to 50 liter tank. One flight can cover 20 to 25 hectares. To understand hectares, 1 hectare approximately 2.5 football fields. So one flight covers nearly 50 football fields. Speed is controlled at 8 to 10 meters per second, fast enough to be efficient, slow enough to stay precise. The most advanced feature is swarm technology. Multiple drones work together like a team. No overlap, no repeated spraying. The result? 40 to 60% less chemical waste. Healthier soil. Lower costs for farmers. That's when farmers stopped laughing. Heading 3. Automated chicken collection system. Gentle poultry handling. In poultry farms, one of the hardest jobs is collecting chickens. Manual handling causes stress and injuries. China introduced an automated system to fix this. The machine uses controlled vacuum suction, not force. Think of it like a vacuum cleaner, but extremely gentle. Pressure adjusts automatically based on bird weight, size, movement. The system can handle 6,000 to 8,000 birds per hour. For comparison, this replaces the work of 30 to 40 human workers per shift. Chickens experience less stress, injury rates drop, and meat quality becomes more consistent. It benefits both farmers and animals. Heading 4. Fully automated poultry farms. A farm that thinks. This is no longer just a machine, it's a complete smart ecosystem. These farms use thousands of sensors, cameras, and microphones. They monitor movement patterns, vocal sounds, feeding behavior. Yes, sound matters. Changes in vocal patterns can signal health problems. If a bird shows unusual behavior, AI can detect disease 2 to 3 days early. The system controls everything automatically. Temperature, ventilation, water supply, feeding, egg collection. Cleaning is also automated, which reduces chemical usage. Real results show 80 to 90% reduction in mortality, 30 to 40% increase in egg production, 50 to 60% lower operating costs. In simple terms, less human error, more output, smarter farming. Heading 5. Multifunction autonomous farm robot. One robot, dozens of jobs. Now imagine a single robot that doesn't do just one job. It can do 40 to 50 different farm tasks. This Chinese autonomous farm robot can seed crops, water plants, monitor growth, prune branches, and apply fertilizer, all by itself. The secret is its modular design. That means tools can be swapped easily. Just like changing attachments on a drill, this robot changes tools based on the job. It also has an AI memory system. This memory tracks each individual plant. Simple example, the robot remembers that plant A grew slower last week, so today it gives that plant more water or nutrients. Mobility is another big deal. This robot can handle uneven land and slopes up to 30 to 35 degrees. That's steep enough where humans struggle to walk safely. Battery life is 14 to 16 hours per charge. When power runs low, it automatically docks itself to recharge. No human needed. Real-world results show 30 to 35% increase in productivity, 40 to 50% reduction in water and fertilizer use. This is especially powerful for small and medium farms, where hiring many workers is expensive or impossible. Heading 6. Autonomous livestock feeding systems. Perfect food every time. Feeding animals is the most expensive part of livestock farming. Even small mistakes mean huge losses. China solved this with fully automated feeding systems. These machines prepare and deliver food automatically, but they don't guess, they calculate. AI adjusts nutrition based on animal age, weight, health condition. The system can manage 10 to 15 different feed ingredients at the same time. Each portion is measured with gram-level precision. Simple example, if one cow eats less than usual today, the system notices immediately and adjusts tomorrow's feed. Each unit can support 300 to 500 animals at once. The results are massive. 25% increase in milk yield. 40% reduction in feed waste. In simple words, animals eat exactly what they need, no more, no less. That directly means higher profit for farmers. Heading 7. Intelligent cotton harvesting machines. Protecting delicate fiber. Cotton looks tough, but its fiber is very delicate. Damage the fiber, and its market value drops. Chinese cotton harvesters are designed specifically for this problem. These machines use optical fiber sensors, moisture detectors, humidity sensors. In one single pass, the machine picks cotton, cleans it, sorts it, and packs it. Sorting is done based on fiber length, strength, purity. Capacity is impressive, 12 to 15 tons of cotton per day. Navigation uses GPS-assisted routing, which means the machine takes the most efficient path and saves fuel. It also adjusts automatically based on weather. If humidity is high, the machine changes pressure so fibers don't stick or tear. The result is consistent cotton quality, which directly increases textile value. Heading 8. Autonomous precision tractors. Farming without drivers. This is where farming starts to look futuristic. These Chinese tractors drive completely on their own. They use RTK GPS with centimeter-level accuracy, LiDAR sensors, 360-degree cameras. These tractors don't just move, they analyze soil in real time. They measure moisture, nutrients, soil compaction. Based on this data, the tractor automatically adjusts seeding depth, fertilizer amount, driving speed. They work day and night, even in fog or poor weather. Most models are hybrid or electric, with 18 to 20 hours of continuous operation. Multiple tractors can communicate with each other, working together as a fleet. Results show 40 to 50% productivity increase, 60 to 70% fuel savings. This level of precision is critical for future food security. Final thoughts, why farmers were truly shocked. At first, farmers laughed. They believed farming was something only human experience could understand. Machines were supposed to be tools, not decision makers. But then these Chinese machines started working. Fruit-picking robots didn't just harvest faster. They understood ripeness better than the human eye. Spraying drones didn't waste chemicals. They treated each plant differently, like a doctor treating patients. Chicken collection systems handled birds more gently than human hands, while fully automated poultry farms listened, watched, and detected disease before farmers even noticed a problem. Autonomous feeding systems calculated nutrition with perfect precision. Cotton harvesters protected fibers worth millions. Multitask farm robots remembered every plant. And driverless tractors turned soil data into real-time decisions. These machines don't just work harder. They see, listen, analyze, learn, and improve. They reduce waste, protect animals, save resources, and help farmers grow more food with less effort. This is not about replacing farmers, it's about giving them super tools. Tools that multiply human knowledge and experience. And once these systems prove themselves in real fields, the laughter stopped. Because the future of farming wasn't coming, it had already arrived. What started as a joke became a turning point. These machines didn't just change farms, they changed how the world will grow food from now on. Now tell me, which machine shocked you the most? Was it the fruit picking robot, the smart poultry farms, or the driverless tractors? Drop your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more mind-blowing technology stories. Because the future isn't tomorrow, it's already working in the fields today.